All right, we're going to do a color by number today. So the first thing you need to do is just write your name at the top of your paper. All right, now we want to look at the bottom. Now we have a crayon, and next to that crayon is a number. That number happens to be 5, and our color is red. So first thing we want to do is we want to color that crayon red. This way you remember what numbers you need. All right, so we want 5s. So we want to color our 5s red. Try to make yours look nice. So we have a 5 here. Now you can go back, if you're not as fast as I am, you can go back after the video is done and color it that way. So here's my second 5, and we've only got 2 5s, and it looks like the table I am coloring on leaves the pattern of the wood on my paper. You can see the lines from the table. All right, so we only have 2 5s. All right, let's look down. Our next number is a 4, and 4 is green. So we want to color the crayon green so we don't forget what color we're wanting to do. So 4s. Here's a 4. Can you guys figure out what our picture is yet? Maybe after we get to the 4s, you'll be able to see what color we're doing. Here's a second 4. I think there's 5 4s. And here's the third 4. This one's a big one. Green, 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 green. Green 4s. We want our 4s to be green. And try to stay in the lines if you can. All right, that's 3. This is the 4th. Our 4th 4. And our last one, our 5th 4 is right here. There we go. We have 5 4s. All right, our next number is a 2, and this color is a gray. Now, you may not have a gray in your crayon box. You may have a gray in your crayon box. You can always use black if you have to, or I wouldn't necessarily say any other color, but you could color using the black and do it very lightly. Let me see if I can find my black crayon. Or if you have like a silver. But normally, like over here, you make black and it's really dark. If you just barely press on the paper, then it kind of looks like gray. So if you don't have a gray, just do a very light colored black. That would work as well. All right, so we have 2 grays. Now our next number is a 6, and it is yellow. So we want to find our 6, and there's only 1 6 on our paper. It's up here. Now, I don't know if you've noticed this yet, but it looks like we're going to be coloring an airplane, and this looks like the sun. All right, so there we have 1 6. Our next numbers are 3, 7, and 8, which means all of these numbers are the same color, and they are blue. So we want to color the 3, 7, and 8 blue. Now I'm going to try to do this. I guess I don't have to do it too terribly fast, but I can only make videos for so long. Otherwise, they will not upload and you cannot see them. So we want the 3, 7s, and 8s all to be blue. And there's actually quite a few of these. You can definitely see the pattern of my table. Oops, it's hard to get the corner down here since I'm holding the camera. All right, so this one's a 7. You try it at this angle. Okay, 7. This is an 8, so our 8 is also blue. Let's color it blue. let's head up to the top. All right, this is an 8. It also needs to be blue. And the 3 is blue. As is the 7 right here. All right, where do we have? We have a 3. And an 8. The 7 should also be blue. And last one is a 3. Now you could have gone around in a different order. That would be okay. You didn't have to follow my order. Just go by what you can see. All right, our last one is a 1, and the 1 is white. Now, what color is our paper? Our paper is white. And I don't know about your crayon box, but my crayon box does actually not have a white, but these are already white, so we don't really need to color them. So we have an airplane in the sky with the sun and some clouds.